Firstly, yung po nga number naman po to convene is something that actually currently exists, no? So, whether we are talking about a 12-member threshold or a 13-member threshold, the new Senate majority currently possesses it, no? So, yun yung una. So, I think it is outside of the question, yung po nga delay nung po nga convening of the impeachment court by the 6th of July. So, ibang bagay lang ho, syempre, when we reach to the level of voting, no? So, I think that is something that the Senate Impeachment Court will have to decide on, no? Kung if it's still 16 votes or will the threshold vote be adjusted because of the lower number of total Senate judges participating.
Can the trial proceed even without a final determination of the numbers?
Pwede ho yun. Kasi similar to the opening of the plenary, like what we had previously seen, basta naman ho may 12 mga senador. And in the impeachment court, meron pang 12 senator judges. Pwede magbukas yung impeachment court. We can proceed to trial and presentation of evidence.